Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is simplify b to the power 6 divided by b to the power 4 into b square into b to the power 0. We have to simplify b to the power 6 divided by b to the power 4 into b square into b to the power 0. Now this 1 divided by b to the power 4 can be written as b to the power minus 4 into this b square into b to the power 0 as is. This is 1 divided by a to the power m can be written as a to the power minus m. If base is same, then we can add its powers. So it will be b to the power 6 minus 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0. This is because a to the power m into a to the power n means a to the power m plus n. So b to the power 6 minus 2 means 2 plus 2 means 4 plus 1 is 5. So it will be b to the power 5. Hence b to the power 6 divided by b to the power 4 into b square into b to the power 0 is b to the power 5. Means our answer is b to the power 5. From available options, we have option C as b to the power 5.